By default, your Microsoft Store apps are saved to the C drive. If you want to change this behavior in Windows 11, it is a straightforward process. First, right-click on the Start button on your taskbar. From the menu that appears, select Settings. In the Settings window, navigate to the System tab on the left-hand side. Within the System section, click on Storage. You will then see an option for Advanced Storage Settings. Click on this to expand it. Here, you will find an option labeled Where New Content is Saved. Click on this setting. It will specify where new apps will be saved. You can then choose any of the available drives listed. While many users prefer to keep new apps on the C drive, you have the flexibility to select another drive according to your specific requirements. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.